Oh, okay. Hey guys! Welcome back to the coast. Listen, today's video is gonna be about, obviously, my hair. I know you probably thought my face because I have this face mask on, but no, it's not about my face. It's about my hair. Our hair, to be exact. Quarantine has been kicking my butt up and down. Trust me. I have been in bed chilling and not doing nothing at all. So I've been really neglecting my hair. As you can see, my ends look a little fried. So this video is gonna be about how to maintain the disrespect. This video is going to be about how to maintain your hair as far as protective styles, keeping it moisturized, keeping your scalp nicely oiled and moisturized, right? Not dry. So stay tuned. I'll be back in a second. Let me clean this off and let's get to business, okay? All right, you can turn it off now. And I'm nice and cleaned up and washed up, and this, fine, don't worry about that. Anyways, really quick, just so y'all know, my nails are looking a hot mess. And yes, these are actually my real nails, but they broke off. I had acrylic on top to like keep them nice and strong, but they broke off. These two broke off, and now I'm like really, really sad. I tried to do my own at-home acrylic, so they look crazy right now, but yeah, it didn't work out so well. Anyways, let's get down to business. So, like I said, our video is going to be about different hairstyles, moisturizing, and keeping your hair nice and healthy during this, like, not just this quarantine time, but when you have downtime, like the weekends and stuff like that. And also, the hairstyles that I'm going to be showing you, you can wear them out, you can go grocery shopping, you can even wear them to work if you want to. It's just your preference. So, let's get started. See you guys on the other side. Brush, comb, baby hairbrush. Boom. Boom. And moisturizing product. So what I like to do is I like to get my ends. This is Shea Moisture's leave-in treatment. It has coconut milk and acacia. I don't know how to read. This is a Shea. It's hard to read it though, but anyways. It's a detangler. It helps control frizz, and it's for all hair types, okay? So what I like to do is I like to put it on my ends because my ends are like the driest area of my hair. My scalp is usually pretty moisturized, but this past quarantine, I have not been really taking care of my hair, so yeah. Then what I like to do is go in with my leave-in conditioner. I've been using a lot of this stuff, so my leave-in conditioner will be done in like 2.5 seconds. So I'm gonna start with this much. I'm just gonna work it through my hair.
Oh!
You extra.
Oh my gosh! Wow!
I'm doing the video.
Oh my god, you look beautiful!
Thank you.
Can I screen record this?
Huh?
Can I screen record this?
Yeah, sure.
Come on. Lately, I've been upset. My beautiful friend, y'all.
It's so extra.
Was like on the coast of Magdala.
Behind the scenes, baby.
Behind the scenes.
More. I use the exact same amount, and I just mixed it in my hands, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put that in there. You can be more precise if you want to, but me personally, ain't nobody got time for that. You see, you can already see the life coming back into my hair. Ow. Ow. Ooh.
That hair looks so pretty. Oh my god.
Girl, 2 seconds ago wasn't looking like this. Okay, so as you can see, that has already made a huge difference. As we do our different styles, ooh, maybe that might not be good.
I'm so sorry.
I was like, damn, what's all that noise?
Wait, I'm gonna call you back when you're done.
Okay, okay.
I'm really to the head like I'm about to use I'm sorry.
Alright, bye.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Bye. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and start styling, and then as we go along through the different styles, I'm gonna go ahead and put the oil in my little parts and along my edges and stuff. This is just really the easiest way that I like to do my hair to moisturize and keep it healthy and moisturized. You can take your time, you can do it section by section. If you have the time, no problem. Honestly, during quarantine, I have the time, but I ain't got the time, okay? So let's go. Okay, listen guys, so I did some research. I typed it in on YouTube and that thing said acacia. I would have never got that. Never, not in a million years. Acacia? Anyways, that's the first thing I'm spraying on my hair here. Then I'm also going to go ahead and put in the leave-in conditioner, and I'm doing the wild hair growth oil on my parts. This hair growth oil, you could probably get it from Amazon, you can get it from your beauty supply store, but I do recommend it if you are having a hard time growing your hair. It has coconut oil, tea tree oil, pomegranate. It has so many things in there that you would probably use separately, and this is just kind of like a one-stop shop. So normally with this style, what I usually do is I bobby pin like 2 to each row, but for the sake of this video and for the sake of time, I'm not gonna bobby pin them. All I did was when I went ahead and grabbed like 3 here, and I crossed them here, and then I clipped them to the back with a clippy thingamajiggy, whatever it's called. A hair clip, right? Yeah. So yeah. And the baby hairs, you don't have to baby hair your hair if you're not going anywhere, or you don't want to. I always, for some reason, I always baby hair my hair, even after I just washed it. I'll put a little bit of gel. I'm like, yeah, because it's a must, you know, it really is. And what you could do is, if you want to preserve this hairstyle, you can wrap it with a hair scarf or whatever, have it to get it to be a little bit flatter. That's what I usually do. I'll put a headscarf on, and then but if I want to go out to go groceries or whatever, I'll take off the headscarf, or I'll put a wave cap on, and then I'll take the wave cap off. So it's not really a style that you have to get perfect. The lines don't have to be perfect. The parts doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, I didn't do them perfect, but the goal here was to make sure that your hair was moisturized, and your scalp was greased or oiled, and that it was into a style that's not going to cause your ends to dry out or anything like that, and that'll retain that moisture while you're either not doing anything on vacation or during this quarantine time. All right, so let's get into style number 2. Boom. Okay, so hairstyle number 2 is the Bantu knots. A lot of people don't like Bantu knots because of how uncomfortable it is, but it's a really, really good protective style for your ends. It really helps you lock in that moisture. And if you like to stretch your hair, this is also, I think to me, it works for like hair stretching as well. I usually do this after I wash my hair. I'll do Bantu knots, but it's really cute. I like it. Also keep in mind, remember, like I said, I'm not using that much product because I am going to be using more product as the video goes along. So it's every time I'm doing a different style, I'm adding product. Now, if you're wearing these Bantu knots out, I would say maybe you would like to probably do them in, you know, parts or sections that'll probably look a little bit more prettier or cute and symmetrical. But I'm home, so boop, this is it. Now, I will say Bantu knots are a little bit uncomfortable to sleep in, but they're a cute little hairstyle to keep. It's easy, it's fast, it's not, there's no work to it. So that's why it's one of my go-to protective styles. I also forgot to mention, when you have your Bantu knots in, it's a great time to go ahead and oil your scalp in between anywhere you have your parts. And go ahead and massage it in. If your Bantu knots are in, this makes it much easier to do it. Everything is separated and whatnot, but yeah. And we're seeing little by little the big difference between my hair when we started this video and after I've done a few styles in it, and how the moisture, if you can take a look there, how the moisture is really just, you can see that it's locking in, you can see that it's just completely changing the hair texture. So honestly and truly, moisturization hydration is key.
Okay, and this is just 2 simple ponytails. 2 simple, regular, degular, smegular ponytails. Why 2 comb? Because it helps when you're combing out your hair. You don't want to have all of these little pieces of hair falling out because your comb is too skinny or too thin and is damaging your hair. Also, please invest in some scrunchies. Dollar store scrunchies are not gonna do. You're gonna keep losing them, they're gonna keep popping, you're gonna keep being mad.
Very simple, very basic. This 2 ponytail, Pippi Longstocking hairstyle. This to make it cute if you want to go out to anywhere, get gas. To make it cute if you want to go somewhere, you can always just put some ribbon here on this, on both ends, whatever you think is cute. Add little trinkets if you want to. But this is also a very easy hairstyle, or you can even add like extensions like braiding hair to it to make it like real like longer and cute or whatever. But this is also very simple. This is one of the simplest, most easiest protective styles that my mom used to do in my hair all the time as a kid. She would wash my hair and she would do this. It was just easy, it's manageable, and you can, well, after moisturizing, obviously, you can keep it like this, and just, if it gets messy, all you have to do is just take it out of the scrunchie or the hair tie, comb it out, brush it, put it back in, and then just braid it or whatever. And if you want to get cute, like I said, you could put some baby hairs, gel it up. Let me show y'all, because y'all think I'm playing, because this could be cute. It really could be cute. Like, I would go somewhere with this. Like, I know y'all be seeing them Instagram girls with their hair like this. They do their little baby hairs, and then they be doing these crazy makeup looks. Baby hairs on deck. They make sure they tie it down so that way it'd be like really, really flat or whatever. And then this part, they usually be swooping it. I ain't swoop because, you know, this is not like a style video. It's more of a protective style video. But I'm just showing y'all how y'all can make it look cute, and you know. And you could always just like tie it down with a scarf, tie it here with the scarf and just like let this part hang down, or tie the whole thing up with a scarf and just let your baby hair show. It's up to you really. Or you can even do this. Bobby pin it up. And it's like that. And that's, to be honest with you, I think this is cute. I would wear this out. I would even wear it to work like this and just do my face, whatever, add my makeup, and I'm good. Bobby pin that thing up. And you cute or whatever. I would say the best part of all of these hairstyles is if you leave them in long enough, because they're nicely moisturized, and you untangle them, like unbraid them, whatever, they're gonna leave you with this like nice crimp look or whatever. So you can always fluff it out and just wear it out. This obviously is not the crimp look that I'm talking about because this didn't have time to dry out or whatever. But if it is dry and it's like nice and settled and it's been a couple days or whatever, then you unbraid it and you're gonna see like a nice wave pattern and it looks amazing.
All right, and last but not least is the French braids. It looks like I'm in pain, but I'm not. I promise I'm not. I just go a lot rougher on my hair than other people would. When I get my hair done by other people, like I could sit there and I'll be chilling. But when I'm doing my own hair, whew, Lord, all the faces I make, I think I'm too rough on myself. But yeah, don't come for me, guys, because I know y'all probably looking like, her braids is not cute. But I'm not a braider. I am just here to show y'all how to keep your hair moisturized. So stop, okay? Thanks. I think I did good though. I think I did good for somebody who's not a braider. And I got these nails and some of them broken.
So always try your best to get to braid all the way down to the end, and if you can't, either because you have nails or your grip ain't that good, always just, you know, give it a little twist at the end. Maybe yeah, a little bit, slight work. Right. And this, just like the other style, you can wrap your little ribbon around it, or you can even bobby pin it up. So I stopped being lazy and I just got up and got me some bobby pins so I can show you. Because this is how I usually wear my hair when I do these French braids. These two French braids. I just pin it. So this side goes to this side goes to that side. So yeah. And with all these hairstyles, you can always, you know, get your headscarf, put it on, tie it down, and everything will look 100 times better once the headscarf is off. And that is a silk scarf, not cotton, because that kind of defeats the purpose of what you just did. The cotton will soak up all the moisture you put into your hair, whereas the silk will kind of just, you know, be on your head like a protectant, kind of. I don't really know, but I just know cotton's not good. Anyways, these are my 4 go-to protective styles. And depending on your hair texture, you can either use less moisturizer or you can use more. The key is, as long as you can put your fingers through your hair from the root to the end, you've got the job done, okay? As long as you can get a wide tooth comb from the root to the end, you've got the job done. So guys, that's it for today. You guys have any questions or concerns on the video that recorded today, or you have anything you want to talk about, let's talk in the comment section below. See you guys next time. Oh, my bad. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you next time here at the coast. I can't do it.
You're doing
Alright,
it.
turn it off. Turn it off. That's fine. We'll use what we got.
Hi.
Twins.